Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to write a description on Fiverr Gig. Your Fiverr Gig description is your chance to showcase your expertise and grab the attention of buyers and convince them to choose your services. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you craft a captivating gig description. Start with a warm welcome to your buyer because it is very important to keep buyer eye and mind on your gig. After that, describe yourself, then introduce yourself briefly and express your enthusiasm in offering your services on Fiverr. Now, in the third step, you have to highlight your skills, qualification, and experience. Also, mention your services, provide a clear and a detailed description of the services you offer. Explain what buyers can expect from your gig, including deliverable times and additional features and options available. Don't forget to emphasize the benefits buyer will gain from using your services. Focus on how your expertise can solve their problems, meet their needs, or help them to achieve their goals effectively. And then end your description with a strong call to action, which encourage buyers to place an order to contact you for more information. Make it easy for them to take the next step towards working with you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.